Good morning, everyone. Happy day 8 and happy Wednesday. I napped. Well, I went back to sleep. I didn't nap. I dropped off my sister and I decided it was time to go back to sleep, which is pretty much every Wednesday. So I woke up maybe like 30 minutes ago. It's 11 now. And I made myself my milk with coffee that I make with like the syrup and the collagen and all that. I took out some beef from the freezer so I can start defrosting for dinner. We're making tacos today, so that should be fun. I'm expecting a sauce to arrive from Chosen Foods from Amazon, but it said it was delayed, so I'm hoping it still arrives today because that makes the beef taste so much better. So and I think that's it. I need to just straighten up a little bit around the pour. I wanted to do my makeup today just because I want to play with some of the stuff that I received and see if I like it or not. Well, the sauce arrived and we have terrible news. It looks like it cracked and ripped. Cracked, probably broke, and it spilled everywhere. So great times. Thank you so much, Amazon, for shipping it in a paper bag. Whoever shipped this or packaged it. I think you need to go back to school for packaging. Alright, so I think I'm going to use this one more time to see if I want to keep it or not. Last time I used it, I didn't really like it. So we'll see. This is the Makeup Forever Reboot in Y315. I'm just going to do like one pump. And I'm going to use this Luxie 516 dual fiber brush. So I'm going to do this Revlon Prime Plus Perfecting and Smoothing Primer. I don't know. I just feel like, let's see if you guys will be able to see. I feel like it doesn't give like much coverage, but it's like I put a full pump on there. It doesn't really do much for my skin. Like it doesn't make it glowy. I'm not convinced by it because it says it's all day long brightening, 24-hour smoothing, 24-hour firming, and 24-hour hydration. I just think, I don't know, I think this one might not be for me. I'm gonna put a little bit of this one on top, the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This one I'm not a huge fan of either, but it's past its return point, and I hate the brush because then if you do it too hard, it kind of spritz everywhere. But I'm gonna add a little bit more coverage on the cheeks. Alright, so for the concealer, I'm just going to use this Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Concealer. It's this one right here. 203 Light Clair. This powder, the Dior Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder that I got, I'm still like undecided if it's like that good or not. This side has the powder, and this side does not. Can you guys tell a difference? I feel like it is smoothing. I don't know, I'm just not convinced by it. Alright, and on the eyes, I think I'm just gonna do one of these Ulta Beauty matte cream eyeshadows. I actually really like these. They're super easy to use. And I just basically wipe it on, or swipe it on the lid. You don't have to be like super neat about it. And I'm just gonna grab my brush. And this is just like a Wet n Wild $2 brush. And it gives you enough time to like spread it too, which is nice. Alright, so this is what the eyeshadows look like. I feel like they're so pretty and effortless. I really like them. So I'm just gonna do that on the eyes. Bronzer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline City Bronzer. And I have mine in 200. Bronzer is really pretty. Then I'm gonna take this Milani baked highlighter in 110 Dolce Perla. So let's see if you guys can even see it. Ooh, that is pretty. Put some of that same highlighter in my inner corner. For the brows, I'm going to use this Milani Stay Put Brow Color in dark brown. And I like this one for like really quick brows. I forgot, I saw somebody using this online the other day on like a tutorial, and I was like, do you like Milani's brow product? So I figured I'd give it a try, and so far I really liked it. Do you guys like these like get ready with me's that I'm including in the vlogs, or do you prefer like just standalone get ready with me's? I'm kind of liking it doing it this way. Okay, now I'm gonna do the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the mini one that I have. I'm really tempted to open the other ones that I have, but I'm also trying to not have everything open, especially mascaras because they go bad really fast. Alright, so we just got done doing this Sephora return. They'll never return. They were all a success. Lots of money put back into my account so that I could spend it on more. And now I'm out of breath, but we're gonna go get an Irish cream cold brew from Starbucks.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Alright, y'all, we're home and we're gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make some tacos. I have these that I'm gonna throw in the oven. Oh no, This one has a crack in it, so we'll probably have to switch that out. These are a little older, so I'm gonna throw those in the oven. Hopefully they'll toast. I have some beef, which has chili powder, some salt, oregano, and smoked paprika. This is ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover that. Here we have some refried canned beans, which are super clean, so have that going. Chopped up some lettuce. I'm gonna chop up some cucumber, some tomatoes, avocado, and we're gonna throw all that together in just a little bit. I keep forgetting to do an outro, but I remembered tonight. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't think the last couple of vlogs would be very interesting, just because, I mean, during the week we don't do a lot. I mean, it is what it is. So, hopefully you guys are enjoying just hanging out with us. Mostly me, because Francisco has not come out on any other vlogs. He's so
busy playing video.
He just bought, what is it called?
Need for Speed.
Need for Speed, Hot Pursuit, and he is loving it over there. So you guys will probably not see him for the rest of the Vlogmas. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, I just wanted to close out the vlog, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. For me and Simba, what else? That's it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas. I'm trying to catch up, but I'm a day behind like every day, so hopefully I'll catch up before the weekend. I don't know. I'm not making a promise. But anyways, that's it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone. Happy Thursday, day 9. I sort of forgot that I was vlogging. So that's that. It is 3:30 p.m. and I'm gonna go pick up my sister. I think today will be very sad of Vlogmas because I've had to do some stuff with the project I've mentioned already before, and I've pretty much been doing that all morning. And then, oh, that's what I am gonna do for dinner. I saw Jessica Braun and Tyler Braun, they're doing Vlogmas, and they showed that they did like a giant crunch wrap in the oven, and I pretty much have all the ingredients to make it. So I thought maybe I can do that instead of the tacos, because yesterday I ended up making tacos. I forgot to show them. I'm the worst vlogger there is. I deserve nothing. I'm gonna make that giant crunch wrap today, so I'll show you guys that for sure. I don't know, I feel like I wanted to tell you guys something, but I guess there's nothing to tell because I've done nothing all day that was exciting. I wanted to do my makeup, that didn't happen, and so my day just kind of went out the window. But anyways, now I'm gonna go get my sister, and I'll see you guys in a little. Alright guys, so this is the before. So basically what I did is a layer of tortilla. So these are the ones that are kind of folded under, like in half. And then I put one in the middle. And then I did beans, cheese, beef, lettuce, and tomato. And we're going to throw them with, I put some nonstick oil on the bottom. And then I'm doing it on the top too. And then this goes on it like so, which is supposed to create a crust while it's inside the oven. So we're gonna put it at 375, and I think it's for like 20 minutes. So I'll make sure to link this below as well, the recipe, but hopefully it works out. All right, so this is the finished product. It's supposed to be that you can lift it up and hold it with your hands, but I think that because they're almond flour tortillas, they're a little bit thinner So I don't think that would have worked, but it's okay. It's like a Mexican lasagna. Yeah. I forgot to put chips. So you're supposed to do beans, beef, chips, or like tostadas, and then the lettuce and tomato, but I forgot, so oh well. And then I made some avocado and the sour cream. I have some cucumbers, and I am so hungry, so we're gonna eat some dinner now. Oh, I recorded your cry.